welcome back to Not Enlisted, Halo Reach. We're doing Nightfall this time. Hopefully the light isn't too bad, and the lighting isn't too bad. Let's make sure it saves my controls. Okay, it did. There we go. Alright. Just remembering all the controls again. I just recorded like 4 enlisted videos. I want to make sure I get this right.
Double kill.
How did y'all get up there? Come here, boy. That's a thumbnail. I might save that depending on how long this recording is. Just all of my new Halo Reach videos are just gonna be me assassinating, or all the thumbnails are just gonna be me assassinating different jackals. That's gonna be a wise choice. Oof, that was unfortunate. Yeah, hopefully I can take some steam off, and as we learned with the last video, last Reach video, I still got it, so. Yeah, we get some decent gameplay. I do feel like that sniper rifle is going to be important, though. You'll see why in a minute if you've never played this game, which if you haven't, you should. I don't care what you have. Get it. Fuck it. I already put on your PlayStation 5.
Reinforcements.
Ah, brutes.
Double kill. Killing spree.
Just trying to blow up that battery right there, that glowing red green thing. I'm looking at my camera some of these times, and this footage does look usable, so thank goodness for that. These brutes seem harder to kill than normal. Oh well. I mean, I'm still at full health, so. Still got all 3 frag grenades. I prefer to stick with a 3rd frag grenade. Just because so I don't just burn through, but it's not like excessive, like I start with 4 of each grenade. Because you can do that in Halo Reach. It's part of the loadout options. I'll show you all about that when it happens. That's why I want to pick up the Ooh, what's happening? Where is it? Where am I? What is going on? There he is. Usually I just use a DMR and headshot that guy, but
Triple kill. Reinforcements. Running riot. Double kill.
Yeah, this is what I meant to use. I meant to use evade and not sprint last game. Yeah, on the beachfront. What? Shit. Shit. I think I'm dead. There just ain't no way. I got 4 elite majors on me. Thank God I can run away so much faster. Dude, I'm fighting for my life now. This ain't even... I'm the prey now. Honestly, if I can avoid the majors for a good bit of time, and just clear out everything else I'm looking at. Doesn't look to be going well. Doesn't look to be going well. I'm bunny hopping. I didn't even know I could do that in this game. What? Yep, I'm cooked. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep. Alright, this game's throwing a little too much at me. It is literally wave 3. I gotta lock in. I think that's the last one, but I could entirely be wrong. It is possible.
Triple kill.
Oh yeah, I also wanted to turn on Grunt Birthday on last one, just to like... Maybe I shouldn't, because that would imply gunshots and children's laughter. I don't think YouTube likes that. Come on, buddy.
Killing spree. Reinforcements.
There we go. Ah, skirmishers, I actually missed y'all. Why aren't y'all on beachfront?
Double kill.
That must have been a headshot. I'm having way too much fun with this class, though. I like this, just floating around. V-hopping and shit.
Double kill.
I'm gonna need that gun, buddy.
Double kill.
This is not an option. You're giving it to me. go down here and see if there's any ammo for this. Doesn't look like it. I should probably grab the DMR instead. Where'd that go? I'll mostly use the shotgun because it's probably more fun to watch, and it's just more fun with the evade. Come here, boy. Don't try to backpedal. Alright, time to lock in. Haven't used any grenades, got full ammo, full evade. Yeah, I think it's gone. Howdy. Piss! I gotta close the distance fast. I don't think I closed the distance fast. Sorry about that. Yeah, hopefully. I was doing pretty good with the grenade launcher last time, so hopefully my good luck streak will continue. There we go, got two. Oh! I don't even know who they're gonna be. I overshot that one. Okay, so these three I think are going to be elites. Yep. I don't know what it is about this grenade launcher, man, but I'm just really good with it. It's like second nature to me. Sometimes it's easier than hitting these regular bullets. I still don't know what tough luck is. I should really reread the skulls. Let's take inventory of our ordnance while we're having a bit of downtime. Rocket launcher and... Let's see here. Target designator, it looks like. I'm gonna double check just in case. Alright. So if I get hunters, I know to go to the beach. Actually, should I? It would be more entertaining. No, because I'm just lobbing grenades. I'm not... If I have a shotgun, I'll do it. I'll do something fun, but... Just throwing grenades at a thing for like 20 minutes is not entertaining for y'all, probably. Alright. Let's... I'm not doing good in this one. I'm struggling. I don't know what it is. Bruh! That's what you get, boy. Whoa! Yeah, sometimes a sniper will spawn up on that ridge. Gotta have long range, take it out. I've done it with a pistol though. Here we go.
Killing spree. Double kill. Double kill.
Bro, calm down, sir. Calm down! Please don't be more majors. Bruh!
Double kill.
Those sewers are my best friend, man. They're like my most commonly traveled part of this map. Like that and the back to the ammo box, honestly. Ah!
Double kill.
Whoops. I feel hunters are gonna come soon, so and I wanna do something fun. Maybe try to show y'all some tricks.
5 lives.
Why are you juking? Yep, I felt him. Felt him in my bones. Alright, I gotta get rid of this guy quick. No more playing around. Can y'all stop, please? Oh, yeah. That's good. It's all about the hops. Never skip leg day, guys. There you go. No, you're coming down here, buddy. I'm not going up there with you. Do you have any idea how small that the runway is there? Ah! Didn't think the grenade would come back at me. Did not want to be used. And that's how you do it. Gotta keep on your toes, man.
Killing spree. Reinforcements. Double kill.
That was risky. feel them.
Double kill.
You feel them about to go bonsai mode. Oh! I have a feeling that I hear a grunt screaming. Well, I'm about to. Please, okay. Alright, now I'm kind of feeling like I need a med kit. I know that my health has been down for a little while, but you know.
Reinforcements. Rampage.
Did I turn on caps? What's going on with these grenades? That could have killed me.
Double kill. Double kill.
Come here. Quit running away. Thank God he did that. I was about to land on him. I know them too well. These are my buddy boys. Bro. Bro. This is outrageous, dudes. Get a hobby. It's not working out for you.
Season.
The marshal or the elites, majors, marshals, whatever they are, they seem easier on this map. Then again, I also didn't know they could get on this map. Oh yeah, there we go. That's gonna be the thumbnail. I don't care. I'll watch 25 minutes into this video, just in my camera roll, just so I can get that screenshot.
Double kill.
Alright, round 5. Ooh, how am I feeling? I'm feeling there's gonna be a lot of, melee going on, because last time it was just, okay, it's brutes. Brutes, I would prefer brutes, brute melee to the energy swords. The energy swords are outrageous sometimes. Oh, just got hit with artillery. In the head.
Double kill.
Doesn't look like a brute general dropped over there. Oh! Thank God he just has the cannon. Yep. Situational awareness. How is there already only 5 enemies left? Alright, now I'm nervous. They're gonna come to me, I don't care. There's the guy that brutally molested me last time. There we go, and this probably just like a grunt. Oh, okay. I managed to do a brute assassination like one time. It was pretty cool.
Lives added. Weapon drop. Round start.
I was wondering where my mini map went. I forgot.
Triple kill.
Okay, I'm gonna need this immediately because there's multiple snipers, and apparently they can headshot. So I might be pinned. I might be pinned. Just making sure. Didn't see that guy. What are these things? They look kind of like old-timey oil pumps. Obviously, they've been futurized. don't. Okay, we're good. Oh, they're just brutes? I'm dead. Yep. Let's do this one. It was fun. Give him the good old-fashioned wake-up call. I need something right with range. What is going on? Give me a pistol. I don't use automatic weapons very much. Weird thing is, it's strangely quiet here for no reason.
Reinforcements.
You. Forgot about that guy. I'm gonna need a sniper, or else that guy's just gonna keep coming back. Close enough. Where are all these explosions coming from? That is not the weapon for the scenario. I got so many good thumbnails in this video. I might just start taking multiple screenshots. What's this one? Because that is not a sustainable source of killing that guy. Oh, perfect. dubbed. Okay, those are brutes.
Double kill. Run wide.
Shit!
Triple kill. Reinforcements.
I was looking for you earlier.
Double kill. Untouchable.
I need ammo. He could get some ammo. Alright, where's your brother? Alright. If y'all would prefer it if I stayed with one class the entire time, I'll just say it. For the whole 2 viewers I'm gonna get. How did this happen? Whoa! That was weird. Bitch. That was weird. He dodged into it afterward.
Reinforcements.
Alright, 2 lives in the hole. So I'm probably gonna have to lock in hardcore. That's not a good sign. I don't like that at all. You can fuck off! I gotta focus. I'm not in a good zone. I'm not in a good area. I'm not in a good area. Yep, I was not in a good area. Got a little too aggressive.
One life left.
I knew you were up there, you piece of shit. That was a good throw from whoever threw that grenade. I want to do a campaign playthrough again. But I want to get this armor to a certain state, what I really think that Noble 6 would wear. Because you get just the default Spartan 3 stuff. Are you fucking me?
More land and soldiers.
That wasn't even me, bro.
God help us.
It fucking stuck to the back of his foot and it fucking somehow attached to me. Oh well, oh well.